Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening settings and navigating to safety and emergency. This is where Android centralizes SOS. Once there, check that the SOS feature is actually enabled and view the listed emergency contacts so you know what will be affected. If your phone is locked or has low battery, make sure to unlock and charge it above 10% before making changes. This prevents interruptions while you modify critical settings and avoids accidental triggers during the process. Next, tap into Emergency SOS options and inspect how SOS is triggered because you must remove the activation paths. You want to toggle off rapid press of the power button, shake to call, or any gesture listed. Those are the usual culprits. Also, turn off automatic call and message sending so the system no longer dials or texts your contacts. Once done, make sure each toggle shows OFF. This stops unintended alerts while preserving your emergency contacts for manual use. Finally, verify changes by carefully testing triggers without completing a call. Short presses or simulated gestures let you confirm nothing fires. After that, reboot the phone to ensure settings apply system-wide. If SOS still activates, go back and reset safety settings or remove and re-add emergency contacts. Sometimes corrupt settings cause persistence. If problems persist, contact your device maker or carrier support. Explain you've disabled triggers but receive unwanted alerts so they can escalate and check firmware or system-level overrides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.